Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can make money with Zazzle. Zazzle got affiliate program on which you can earn 50% per sale of the product, so that's pretty good. And the refund rate is real low, and when you would come here to the popularity of Zazzle to see if people are actually using it, you see that yes, the peak was 2013, but it's still really popular and people are using that. So now is the question how you can actually promote stuff from Zazzle and what you can promote. So you can actually search for the designs and for the various products. Then I could find designers here that are designing. So it's up to you, okay, the first way is that you're gonna actually have affiliate, that you're gonna promote everything, or what you can do is to be the designer. So what you can do is to simply create. First, I'm going to talk about the affiliate, and then I'm going to talk if you're a designer or if you're someone who wants to upload some things. So with affiliate, it works really simply products, iPhone case, cases of iPhone X cases, and now I gotta see okay, this one here, right? What I can do is to create affiliate link when I'm going to sign up, and I can paste it on Pinterest, I can make it on Instagram, or I can simply create a YouTube video. What are the best iPhone cases on iPhone X? That's what you can do, and it will work. If you want to create YouTube videos about your business or you want to make money with YouTube, there is a link down below in the description, and I can help you with that. There is mini course about what I think about YouTube and how it can help you grow and what you should do with YouTube to be better. So that's pretty good, and that's what I recommend for you to do. Now, that's the first way. So actually promote it on social media, on Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube. That's the first way. The second way, if you want to actually create it by your own, there are multiple ways. So what you can do is to click create and just simply design it. That you would upload the image. And there are multiple ways. So view all blank products. And I got to see plenty of products that I can use. The flat invitation, and I would have the image here with the text. So you can simply upload it and use it and then sell it through Zazzle, right? So that's something you can do. The huge advantage of Zazzle is that you're gonna have organic reach here. So it's really important to promote it by yourself, of course, but you can do it just with the Zazzle, or you can simply sell it also through Shopify if you want to. And now that's the first way what you can do. So you can actually create the content by yourself, upload it, and my recommendation is upload as much as you can. And try to specify, don't try to do the cat case for iPhone. Don't just do the really generic things that everyone is doing. My recommendation is try to specify in a segments that not a lot of people are dominated. I could use philosophy is not really dominated at all in my opinion, that I would use with the Alan Watts, Jung, and others. Taoism, Stoicism, these are the things that I know things or two about, so I could use that to my advantage. Now, that's the first way. The second way how you can actually make money, if you would use it from AliExpress. So what you can do is just go to AliExpress, and let's say that I would in Zazzle cat shirt, and now we have a cat shirts here, and what I could do is just simply go cat shirt and just compare. And if I'm going to find this one here, and I can find it here, what I could do is to make it really similar. I don't recommend copy pasting, but you can make it really similar, like this one here. Look at this, and I could simply just upload it as a content that I did, right? And people would buy it because it's pretty good. So you see this really popular on this on AliExpress. So I could easily sell it right here in Zazzle. And that's a really great way how we can actually make money. And that's a good way how you can make money with Zazzle, is that you would actually upload, not upload, but make similar content as you see in AliExpress and then use it. So that's another way how we can make money. The third way how we can make money is that you would pay designer. So what you can do is to actually go to Upwork. Let me show you. And I can go t-shirt designer and help someone to design things for me. So that's another way how you can actually make money, and really effective way, I think, and good way. Now, if you have any questions, guys, just ask me down in the comments. I will be pretty happy to help you. So what you can do first, the first thing, you can actually join an affiliate program that you would recommend, like top 5 products for this, and you would write an article for a blog for that, or you would create a YouTube video in which you would be talking like what are the best, I don't know, this thing here, or envelopes, right? So that's something you can talk about if you're interested in that topic on YouTube. This is the first way to create affiliate content, affiliate videos, affiliate articles. The second way, what you can do is to upload your own content on Zazzle. So on Zazzle, you can make it and just easily upload like the designs that you created for t-shirts. My recommendation is try to choose like specific niche, what you like, what you know different than others. There is a huge advantage in Zazzle that you can have organic reach for it. Also, that's another thing. The next thing is that when you would do it and go through Zazzle, there is a competition. So yes, you got organic reach, but you got competition. If you just do it through the Shopify store, what does it mean is that you're not going to have actually competition, because you would like run an Instagram account or Facebook page and people would just buy it from there, from the Facebook ads. What you can do then is also get some designs from AliExpress, get inspired. And when you would get inspired, you can use it to your advantage, is that you see that something is popular right on AliExpress or Redbubble, that's like competition, and then simply upload it like to Zazzle, make it similar, upload it, use it to your advantage. And the last thing is that you can actually do something like that you would pay someone on Upwork and they would do the design work for you, and then you're good to go. You're already covered. So that's pretty good thing that I like, is that how you can actually build things and how you can use it to your advantage. So yeah, if you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I've been on YouTube really long time and I built multiple YouTube channels. So if you want to go through the YouTube way and you want to like learn how you can make money, what is the best way, how to succeed on YouTube, and why you should be on YouTube, there is a link down below in the description to my mini course. I think you will like it. I think it will bring you some value. I hope so. So yeah, thank you very much, guys, for watching. And if you need help, I'm here for you. You know how it goes. Zazzle is a good website, but my recommendation is also use Redbubble and other websites for your business. In that way, you can make also much more money. So yeah, thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.